some techniques about mixed number problems. So let's start. We can write any mixed number as improper fraction. We can write 2 and 1/3 as improper fraction. So 3 times 2 is equal to 6. 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. So 7, copy denominator 2. Remember, when we encounter word problem that contain mixed number, first tip is to rewrite the mixed number as improper fraction. Let's do our first example. 2 and 1/2 of what number is 7 and 1/3. So we are interested for the number which is 2 and 1/2 of what number is equal to 7 and 1/3. 2 and 1/2 replace the improper fraction. So 2 times 2 is equal to 4. 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. 5. Copy denominator 2. So 5/2. Of change multiplication. What number? Let's represent variable n. Is change equal 2 and 1/3. Replace the improper fraction. So 3 times 7 is equal to 21. 21 plus 1 is equal to 22. Copy denominator 3. So 22 over 3. Multiply 5 by n. So 5n over 2 is equal to, copy 22 over 3. Next is multiply both sides by 2/5. So 2/5 times 5n over 2 is equal to 22 over 3 times 2/5. So cancel 2 and 5. So n 22 times 2 is equal to 44. 3 times 5 is equal to 15. So the value of n is 44 over 15. Second example. What fraction of 3 and 1/9 is 24 over 5? What fraction? Let's represent variable n. Of change multiplication. 3 and 1/9, change it to improper fraction. So 9 times 3 is equal to 27. 27 plus 1 is equal to 28. So 28. Copy denominator 9. Is change is equal to copy 24 over 5. Multiply n by 28. So 28 n over, copy 9 as denominator, equal, copy 24 over 5. Multiply both sides by 9 over 28. So 9 over 28 times 28n over 9 equal 24 over 5 times 9 over 28. Cancel 9 and 28. Bring down n. The prime factorization of 24 is 6.4 and the factorization of 28 is 7.4. Cancel 4. So 6, 5 times 9, 7. Bring down n again. 6 times 9 is equal to 54. Over 5 times 7 is equal to 35. So the value of n is 54 over 35.